make sure you always have your wudu. That is important. Never walk on this earth stepping without a wudu. Or you better have to have a good explanation, or it's better be something that is you're not doing often. But try to always have your wudu. And always when you go to sleep, to have your wudu when you go to sleep. Because if you have wudu and you take a wudu, Prophet ﷺ saying it is light upon light that you have. One of the marks that on the Day of Judgment, Prophet ﷺ will know that the people that are there is belonging to him is when he sees their bodies, their hands and their feet are going to be shining. Shining. Why is that? Because of the wudu. And this is not given to earlier nations also in that way. So keep your wudu. Keep your wudu, especially when you're going to sleep. That time angels will be with you until you wake up.